Buddy, can I just get my key?
I'm so hungry that I could eat a cat.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
Do you want breakfast?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Oh.
You're adopted.
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Kelly! What? She say what? Do you hear it?
I guess hungry?
Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you.